This is your old phone and it's partly broken. Repairing it these days is more expensive than buying a new one, so just get rid of the old thing. No, that's wrong. Soon you might be able to repair your phone yourself, authorized by Samsung, Apple, Google and Co. Can this save you money? And do we all have something like a right to repair? Recently, more manufacturers have pledged to make some of their devices repairable, with Google being the latest to join the party. Google just announced to work with iFixit, a website that provides do-it-yourself kits containing repair parts and necessary tools. Samsung and Microsoft have already announced similar plans for select devices, and Apple has their own project going. However, the companies have not yet said what self-repair kits will cost you. Still, it's very likely that they will be cheaper than using a professional repair service, and both options are even cheaper than buying a new device, of course. So, this repair movement is good news for your wallet. It's promoted by a movement around the world that has risen in recent years. It springs from the idea to topple the gigantic amount of electronic waste. In 2021, over 57.4 million tons of electronic equipment were thrown away. That's a plus 21% jump within 5 years. And the latest data from 2019 shows that only 17% of e-waste was recycled. At the same time, resources are becoming more and more scarce. Repairable devices could help reduce that problem significantly. Just a few days ago, the European Union's Parliament urged for a new law. They want to force manufacturers to offer repair services and spare parts. Also, they want consumers to be informed how long a device will receive software updates and how repairable it is. A model for such a repair score has been set in France, where smartphones, notebooks, TVs, washing machines and lawnmowers get 0 to 10 points based on how repairable they are. In order to make repairs convenient, the EU Parliament also suggests that consumers get replacement devices during the repair process, as well as extended guarantees. This all sounds too good to be true, doesn't it? Well, right now it is. This is not law in the EU yet. And it's unclear whether all of these demands will become reality. But even if some of them should pass, that probably will affect all of us around the world, as it's unlikely that Apple, Samsung and Co. will change their policies only for Europe. What do you think? Would you like such a right to repair too? Do you think it's likely those demands will get through? Until now, the announced initiatives are long on promises and short on details. The best example for that is Apple. Remember our last video, last November, when we talked about Apple's repair service? There has been no news since their announcement back then. Still, the path to a right to repair has started, and if you ask me, I hope it won't be stopped. And the more countries start taking initiative, the more likely it is that all of us worldwide will soon be able to repair our devices. Let us know what you think about this right to repair movement. See you next time.